Friends, I'm going to teach you how to solve Rubik's Cube first layer. First you have to form a plus like this, and I'm going to teach you how to solve the plus like this. First I'm going to shuffle. If the white piece is here, do face and make it up. You'll get like this. This first piece was like that only. And if it's like this, do face. If you do here, and that will get spoiled, so move like this, do like this, and one more like this, do face like this, up, and do back like this, and you remove this piece and you form the plus. That's how you have to form the plus. And match two pieces. I matched these two pieces side by side, and center pieces contain two pieces and corner pieces contain three pieces, and side by side two pieces are got matched and these two sides are not got matched. And this left side there is a algorithm R U R prime U R U2 R prime U. See, all side you got matched center pieces. And now about the corner pieces, you already got the green off dimension. If you get full dimension, that's also okay. Off dimension you have got. If you are solving like this, it's facing your side, so move like this, do down, do like this, make it up. Now remove this piece down, see, and where dimension will match. Here full dimension had got matched, it's okay. So it's face, if you are solving like this, if the white is facing that side, do down, and always remember that if the white is facing that side, you have to do down like this side down, and make it like this, remove like this. Next I'll remove this piece down. This piece dimension had got matched, off dimension. So if you are solving a Rubik's Cube, if it's facing that side, you have to always remember this should go down, and bring like this and make it up. And the remaining piece should, it's facing your side, the remaining piece, and as I teach the first, same method, remove it up. And first layer had came, first layer had come. And like, share, and please subscribe Skandas vlog. Thank you.